Hello everyone, I'm your truck specialist. Today I'm showing you the 4x2 great stake dump truck, your go-to for stake body transport. The top green hauler in town, Weichai 210 horsepower engine, paired with 10-speed manual gearbox. The motivation is extremely strong. Classic flathead half-roll design, gray body, tough and sturdy. Container dimensions 5,600 by 2,400 by 800 millimeters. 5-door design. Gross vehicle weight 18 tons. Carries lots of goods and moves steadily. Follow me for more great trucks.